Welcome back. Let's do question 322. In the diagram below, angle DCB is equal to alpha, AC is equal to H, and angle ACB is equal to theta. Prove that AD is equal to H sine theta minus alpha divided by cos alpha. In the previous video, we found that angle ACD, this angle, is equal to theta minus alpha. Okay, and then if we observe triangle ACD, what will be the size of this angle? Remember, this is an exterior angle of a triangle. This is the exterior angle of triangle DCB. Let me highlight triangle DCB. This is triangle DCB. And then D1 is the exterior angle of what? Of triangle DCB. So what is the size of this angle D1? The angle D1 is 90 plus alpha, exterior angle of triangle. Why this? Here, if I use the sine rule, sine 90 plus alpha will give us what? Cos alpha somehow. Okay, so remember, sine 90 plus alpha is equal to cos alpha. Okay, so that's why I want to find this angle. So let's say in triangle ACD, so we have the angle and the side. Remember, we want to find AD, and then we have the angle here and the side AD. So we can say sine 90 plus alpha over what? Over the side H is equal to sine theta minus alpha over the side AD. And then from here we can cross multiply. AD sine 90 plus alpha is equal to H. We're cross multiplying here, this term this, then this term this. So AD sine 90 plus alpha is equal to H sine theta minus alpha. And then we can divide both sides by sine 90 plus alpha. AD is equal to H sine theta minus alpha divided by sine 90 plus alpha. And then we said sine 90 plus alpha is cos alpha, so we can say AD is equal to H sine theta minus alpha over cos alpha. Okay, because sine 90 plus alpha is equal to cos alpha. We need to prove that AD is equal to H sine theta minus alpha divided by cos alpha.